Hello friends, welcome to this new tutorial. Today I have here this iMac 27-inch late 2014 and I will show you how to upgrade the memory on it. Okay, so let's go. Alright guys, so to upgrade the memory on this computer, I already got these two memory sticks and they are 4 GB each. And let's go here and see what is the memory on this computer. So we're gonna go to the corner here where the Apple logo is. We're gonna click on it. Then we're gonna go to about this Mac. Then we will see this information here. So this is the information of this computer. As you see, it has the memory is 8 GB and it's late 2014, as you see here, and it has the macOS Catalina. For the memory here, click, then we will see we have two memory sticks, 4 GB each, and we have here empty. So these two spots will be reserved for these two memory cards. Okay, so let's do it. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do, we need to turn off this computer. So we're gonna go to the Apple logo here, then we're gonna click shutdown, and here we're gonna confirm. Now the computer will shut down. We're gonna wait until it's completely off. Alright, so now it's off. I'm gonna disconnect the keyboard. Okay, so the keyboard is disconnected. Then I will disconnect the power cable from here. So I'm just gonna pull it. Okay, then I will get this cloth and I will put it here to not scratch the screen. And then I will take this computer and I will put it here on the face, as you see. Alright, so here, once I plug the cable from here, we have a button. So we're gonna push this button using like some tools. I will get a tool right now. Alright, so I'm gonna use just this pen. I'm not gonna, I put the tip of the pen inside, and I will push this button here. Alright, so once I push this button, I need something sharp to go, not sharp, but no, it's not the right tool. Alright, so I'm gonna use this plastic. I will just push here hard until this gets lifted up. So then I will use my two hands and remove this cover. I will put it here. So then we have these two buttons here. I will open them like this. Then we raise up this. So we have the memory cards here. We have this one and this one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I will insert the two other memories, one here and one here. Alright, so this is the first memory. So I will make sure I slide it here inside this gap. If you feel it's not going through, what you need to do, take it out and flip it, because there is a small gap here. It needs to be matching with the prong inside. Okay, it fits perfectly. Then we're gonna use the other one the same way. All right, so now we have here one 4 GB, another one 4 GB that I just put, and the old 4 GB that was here before. Then we have another 4 GB. In case you have like 8 GB or different what they call them, different sizes. For example, let's suppose this one is 8, this one is 4. It's gonna be like this, 8 4 8 4. So you can organize them. Don't worry, you can remove this one and switch the places. So now after I put them here, I will click, then I will put this cover back. So this cover, I think it's working like both sides. I'm just gonna, let me make sure, yeah. I'm just gonna put it here and click on it. until I make sure it's even. So let's up from this corner, and that's it. So now what I'm gonna do, I will connect the computer back and we will check the memory. Alright guys, so I just connected the power to this computer. Now we have the power button here in the back. I'm just gonna push this power button. Alright guys, so the computer keeps beeping. Then I switched the RAMs that I put on it, and I figure out that one of the RAMs is not working. So that's why we got only one accepted here, and the other one I already removed it. So now we have 12 gigabytes on this computer. Okay, so I will order another one, 4 gigabytes, and I will add it here. To order the right one, just remove one of the RAMs that you have on the computer and look at the numbers that you have on it and try to order the exact same one. Okay, so yeah. Alright guys, so as you hear that the computer starts beeping, that means something wrong with the RAM that I put on it. So what I did, I just removed one RAM from this MacBook Pro and I replace it with this one. Then the computer turns on like this. Okay, so let's go now to this corner here and we will see if the memory is upgraded, because I don't know how many gigabytes on the RAM that I removed from the MacBook. So let's see. So we have here the RAM that I have here, it has 8 gigabytes, and I see that I have here 4 gigabytes. So the total gigabyte that I have here is 20. Okay, 20 is pretty good memory on MacBook, on an iMac, which is like very high, and it will make this computer run very fast. I'm happy with it. Okay, one small notice I want to mention: if you have the iMac, the what they call it, the 23-inch, if it's old one, it's not gonna have the box here. It's not gonna have the small box that contain the memory, the RAMs inside. So this one you will have to open the computer completely and remove the screen. It's glued here. It's really like hard work to do. Then you can replace the memory. So that's why with the new iMac since the 2014 and up, they have the memory, the RAM in the back, which is here, and you can just pop it up as I show you in the beginning, and you can replace your RAM on the computer. Alright guys, so as you see, we replaced the RAM. It's very easy on the iMac 27-inch. If you find this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in the next video and have a wonderful time.